Hello Zephyr, and welcome to episode 3 of our Discord.js v13 series. And in this episode, I have actually made a poll in the Discord server. That's just someone emailing me. That's one of my lecturers at university. I'll check that after. But yeah, anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah. So yeah, I made a poll in the Discord server asking whether you prefer me to do message logs or the snipe command this video. We're going to do message logs. Okay. So message logs, basically audit logs. You've probably seen it on the Dino bot or Me6, whatever bots you use nowadays. But we're going to make this ourselves with our own code. So we're going to be looking at events. So similar to this, so you've got module.exports. We'll just go ahead and copy this ready event actually. Let me move the microphone a bit. Sorry, you are going to hear the keyboard no matter what, that's a given. Anyway. So for this, we're going to want, let's do deleted messages first. We're going to do message delete.js because that's the event name as per the documentation. No thanks. So let's paste. We're going to take away this line, and we want our client, and we're also going to get a message. Okay, so this is going to be the deleted message. So now in our config file, we're going to go ahead and add a logs channel. So we're going to do we'll name it logs channel. Oh, whoops. I'm going to get the channel ID real quick. I'm just going to use the YT testing channel, but you guys can use whatever channel you want. And we'll just paste that in, like so. We'll save that. And that's the channel that our logs will be sent to. So in this file, we're going to go ahead and grab that said channel, or fetch it, whatever, get it, whatever you want to call it. We're going to want the guild ID as well. No we don't. Ignore me. Okay. So we're going to do const channel equals client.channels.cache.get, and now we just want to import the logs channel from the config file. So let's do logs channel, and we're going to require config, and then in these parentheses we could do logs channel like so. If channel, and we're going to do a permissions check, make sure the bot can post in the channel. Channel dot permissions for, I want to say permissions for channel dot guild dot me dot has send underscore messages. I want to make sure we can embed links too, so we're going to do this as an array, send messages and embed links. I hope I'm correct on this. I'm not even reading the docs right now, but from the top of my head I'm pretty sure it's permissions for. Hopefully I'm correct. Oh, well, a bit of splash there. Anyway. So yeah, that's our if statement. Now this is where we post a log. So I'm going to do this as a message embed. So I'm just going to import our message embed class from discord.js. Like so. And then we're just going to do return channel.send embeds, and then that's an array, new message embed. Okay, so we're gonna set color for a deleted message. I'd go with like a red color to show it's been deleted. So I'm just going to use that. It's a material red. It's pretty nice red. I'm going to set the description as the message content. I'm going to set the author. Message. Yeah, no, wait. No, I'm going to do this one as set title. Deleted message. Then we'll do set footer. Oh. So you can customize this embed however you want. Personally, I'm going to go with this. Message deleted by... wait, no. Deleted message by... And then we're going to have message.author.tag. And then we're going to give their avatar as well in the second parameter. Like so. And we'll do this as a format in PNG. And we'll do dynamic, which enables GIFs. There is another thing we could do actually, believe it or not. Now, I don't know about today, I don't use public bots, but I know before they never had this feature when it is absolutely doable. So I'm going to show you. So we're going to do const embed and just paste our embed there. Let's make it look neater by indenting it. We're going to do if message.proxy URL. Then we're going to do embed.set image message.proxy URL. I'm going to double check the documentation to make sure this is still a property. So I'm just checking the website now. Message. Oh, whoops, I refreshed. Message, we're looking for proxy URL. It's a good job I checked, because apparently it's not a thing anymore. That's weird. What have they done? Let me search this real quick. Oh, yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Yeah, I've done that completely wrong. Yeah. So, if message.attachments.first, so if there's an attachment, then yeah, yada yada yada. If message.attachments.first, oh sorry, not if, proxy URL, which that should be correct. Oh, wasn't quite correct. We do proxy capitals URL. Right, that should be correct now. Okay. So we've got our message content, stating it's a deleted message, who the message was sent by, and attachments if necessary. And then we just type embed into that. Oh, I hate to interrupt the video, but I've got to plug this advertisement real quick. This is HostingBot, a cheap, fast and reliable hosting company. They offer cheap services such as VPS servers, dedicated servers, web hosting, and more. Using code Sapphire, you can get 30% off your purchase. Now, how great is that? If you're having doubts, look at all these happy customers. So that should be our deleted messages right there. And now I'm just going to show you how to do the edited messages. So let's create a new file called messageupdate.js. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this in. It's similar, except we're going to have old message and new message in the parameters. But the embed stuff works similar. So we're just going to do set color. We're going to do a yellow. I'm going to just quickly go grab a yellow hex. Come on, Google load. Is that so? Apparently that's how you mix colours nowadays. Okay. Edited message. edited message. So we got that. And then instead of having set description, we're going to do .add field old message. And we'll have old message content like so, and we'll do the new message, which would be new message content, and then we'll take the new message for the author.tag along with this. As for message attachments, from what I know on Discord, you can't actually edit an attachment in or out of a message. So I'd say this is completely redundant. That attachments stay in no matter what, and I don't think you can edit an attachment in, so it's redundant. And yeah, that's it really. So now we're just going to go ahead and test it. Let's see if the bot starts. Okay, cool. It loaded the events. Let's go to Discord. So what error have we got? Cannot read properties of undefined reading requirements. Guys, I found a problem, and it's a problem from episode 1. Actually, I'm pretty mad about it. So, although I'll mark it in the video however I do it, I don't even know how to do it, but I'll figure it out. This part of the video is a hotfix for episode 1, something that I missed out on line 16 in the message create file. Ta-da! Alright, that's what was causing the problem. I weren't typing the command, and yeah, it comes up as an undefined command and you get errors from it. I forgot to do a return right here. So yeah, awkward. Anyway, back to testing. Right, so back in Discord now. I'm just going to go ahead and do again. This is a test message. Let me check. Yeah, no error this time. And I'm just going to add the hyphen. There's our edited message log. And what if I delete it? Then what? This should delete his message. I'm going to send a picture this time, just to test if that works. I want to make sure I've got this. Nice. Alright, so that is how you do your logs, and I will see you in episode 4. Bye bye.